Hello children, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn EVS 2. In EVS 2 we are going to do chapter 3 Maratha Sardars, the famous house of Bhosles. Period of unrest. As the saints preached devotion to God, the brave Maratha Sardars started a tradition of bravery. This was a period of great unrest. The two sultans, the Adil Shah of Bijapur and the Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar, were constantly at war with each other. They made use of the armies of Maratha Sardars in these wars. The brave Maratha Sardars. The Maratha Sardars were both brave and tough. They were also fearless and loyal to their masters. They were very proud of their achievements on the battlefield. The brave Maratha Sardars, with a spear in the hand and a sword at the side, would ride in his Sardar's cavalry. All the Maratha Sardars had their own private armies. If such a Sardar went to the Sultan with his army, the Sultan gave him employment, made him a Sardar of his kingdom, and sometimes conferred a Jagir upon him. The Sardar who received such a Jagir considered himself a Raja. There were many famous Maratha Sardars at the courts of Ahmednagar and Bijapur. The more famous among them were the Jadwas of Sindhkhed, the Nimbalkars of Paltans, Ghorpades of Mudhol, Mores of Javalis, Bhosles of Verul. The Sindhkhed Jadavs were descendants of the Yadavs of Devgiri. Jijabai, the mother of Shivaji Maharaj, was the daughter of Lakhuji Rao Jadhav of Sindhkhed. The tradition of valor. All these Sardars were brave, but many of them were sworn enemies of one another. They were taught that they should unite and do something for their own people. So all their valor and bravery served the interest of others. Even so, they kept alive the warlike spirit, especially among the young. Many famous soldiers were born in their families who kept alive the tradition of valor. Among the famous families, the Bhosles of Verul showed great bravery and enterprises. The Bhosles of Verul, Babaji Raje. He had two sons, elder son Maloji Raje, younger son Vitoji Raje. Maloji Raje, husband, and his wife Uma Bai had two sons, Shahaji Raje and Sharifji. The Temple of Grushneshwar. It was about 400 years ago. The temple of Grushneshwar near the Verul caves was falling to pieces. The walls had developed cracks. The priest also had deserted the temple. Thus, the temple, which was built in honor of a great god, was totally neglected. All the devotees who came there mourned over the sorry state of the temple, but no one thought of repairing it. A great devotee of Shiva visited the temple regularly. He would put flowers and bell on the lingam and express his innermost thoughts to the god. He carried out extensive repairs to the temple and restored it to its original condition. He also made arrangements for the proper maintenance of the temple. Now there were lights both inside and outside the temple, and the lost grandeur of Grushneshwar was restored. Who was this devotee? Who did all this? He was Maloji Raje Bhosle. So with this I have ended half the chapter. Remaining part we are going to do in the next period. Thanks for watching.